Every home has a style, and your kitchen is its true expression. What's yours? Maybe you're the industrialist, embracing raw brick, black metal, and high-contrast moody drama. Or the urban modern minimalist, sleek integrated cabinets with dark tones for clean hidden efficiency. Or are you the mid-century collector, rich walnut and brass, celebrating bold color and geometric lines? Or maybe the coastal curator, airy light, bleached oak, and serene effortless elegance. Maybe you're the timeless traditionalist, classic inset cabinetry, detailed molding, and marble elegance. Or the farmhouse host, natural wood islands, cozy textiles, and inviting warmth. Your kitchen should feel less like a renovation and more like a beautiful, effortless reflection of you. We see the vision you haven't put into words yet. We don't just plan, we design the feeling. Fresh Start Designs. Let's begin.